Hello everyone. So the question says that two families with 3 members each and one family with 4 members are to be seated in a row. So in how many ways can they be seated so that the same family members are not separated? So here we will be having total we have 3 families. So they are saying that family 1 has 3 members. We'll be assuming it, and family 2 is also having 3. So basically 2 families with 3 members and family number 3 is with 4 members. So basically what are the total numbers? Total would be 3 plus 3 plus 4. So 6 plus that is basically total numbers in 3 families is 10. So now the total arrangement that would be 10 factorial. So now the favorable cases we'll be seeing in the next slide. So basically we have discussed this part and this part. So now we have to focus on this favorable cases. So now it's saying that the arrangement of 3 families into the interval arrangement of family members. So that would be our 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial. So it will give you 3 factorial whole cube into 4 factorial. So see, it has been written here also. So the option would be 2.